And so meet the genius. She's a lawyer. She's a top-notch lawyer. She's Obama's lawyer, President Obama's lawyer. So
I just started.
So you don't have to. Everybody packaging. So if you have a case or anything, if you have a case, or you have a case in court, she will win. She wins all cases.
Tech IP law. There's a disclaimer. I cannot promise that I win every case. That's a attorney disclaimer.
Okay, so guys, it is going down. It's about to go down now. So that's some puff puff. That's some chicken grill, and that's some jollof rice, and that is some gizdodo. Yeah, and that is some ayamashi. That is offered as stew. And this is some poundo. This is some egg fish, fried. And this is egose dodo. This is correct ofada rice. Fried rice. And this is efori roll.
Warn you. Yeah, it's better have the fufu or the red rice.
Okay, so hi everyone. Am I doing this well? So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Ifetayo's birthday, and of course baby is even more like a naming ceremony. So yes, come with me. Let's go. If you are new here, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know where you are watching from. I want to know you, I want to meet you. This is your first time on this channel. Yes, I had a baby 2 weeks ago. Yes, 2 weeks ago she came, and here is my postpartum look. Hey. 2 weeks. It's not really.
It's a local,
Okay, so I don't know. Babe, I've been shooting with 1 ear since 1 ear. It is well. Say it again. My hair. I do that a lot. On my channel. So meet my friend. Watch out for this. She's the incoming latest YouTuber. She's hot. She's on point. Why are you laughing? She's laughing. We want to start a YouTube channel.
I know. I'm like, oh, let me make you some.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, so yeah. So guys, check out my other videos on other grants videos, yes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments right after watching. I want to meet you guys. Yes, so on this channel, please feel free, see this channel as a safe place for everyone. Yes, go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Yes, I'd love to read from you guys. I'm going to show you the full outfit, but you know what, just take a chill pill for now. Let's go. Okay, let me see. You are about to be filmed. Hi. Please come in. Good to see you. Okay guys, so yeah. What am I doing? I'm not even filming myself. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead. Good. You want to say hi, Amaya? Good. Oh, sorry. Say hi. That's your friend from school. What's your love? What's the name for you?
She just had a baby?
What's the change?
You just had a baby? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Thank you, bros.
Good to see you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Ẹ̀yin lẹ kọ́kọ́ dé. Ṣé o pé òun ṣe jọ daddy ẹ̀? Bó ṣe jọ daddy ẹ̀? Yé, ṣé o máa gbà báyìí? How old is he now? Where is she? What's she ṣeré lọ?
Don't even look for Sheyi again.
Ọlọ́mọ máa jẹ́ kó gbé Pẹ̀dáyọ̀, I mean Tolúpa.
So that if we feature it in the channel, we have meat, we have the substance, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have something to show.
Yeah. Of course I am.
Oh God. It is
bros.
well with you.
Amen. No, allow man. Thank you, sir.
You just had a baby? Oh man, you look so good.
It's quite calm. I'm trying to take a lot of footage as much as possible. Too much.
Except that this is your mouth.
That's June 12th, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, Wala. I know how the... So we follow there.
Ready to wear? Oh, this part of it.
My friend that came very early, that I told you that she wanted to come and help with decoration. You know, we have to go and pick up together. So when I found this, I was like, I just started jumping like a mad person.
I'm telling you. Perfect.
What can we do? Please help yourself. Anything, everything. Ẹ jẹun.
Orí mi ń gbà rẹ̀.
No, I don't. Tolu and me. I'm not strong anything. No. It's the Lord's doing. No. And it's marvelous in our eyes.
See how you are checking yourself out.
I'm glad to check it out. guys support the Motorways family. They have a YouTube channel and I'm going to leave the link right here. Yeah, so guys, check out their YouTube channel. I'll be leaving the link right here. Yes, I'll drop the link there. Go ahead and support them. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Yes, and leave your comments right after watching. Yes, so here is Lucy. Heavenly Father. Yeah. Oh no! Wow. Okay guys, this is Lucy. So please subscribe to her channel, like and share. Make sure you leave a comment as well after watching. So you find the link to her channel right here. I'll leave the link here. So go ahead and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
As always, yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, like this video just in case you have not liked this video. Yes. Let us advertise your this thing now.
Yes. Let me talk. Can I talk?
Oh sure. Wait,
Like
before
this video. You see what she's wearing? She's the one. This is Chassis Everything brand. You see that? You see the frills? You see that? And the sewing, the finesse of the sewing is perfect, right? And for myself, if you need food items from Nigeria, suya spice, the best curry ever. Smoked catfish, snail, all of those items, just reach out to me. Okay? I got you guys.
Yeah. So just in case you didn't hear her perfectly, she's the plug for your African food items. Yes. So if you live anywhere in the United States, she can always ship it out to you. Yes. So she will cover your shipping costs. She has snails. She has everything that you need, all the African spices, varieties. She has loads and loads of stuff. Check her out. I'll leave her link in the description of this video. So please let's support our girl. Please go ahead, let's support her. Thank you. Make sure you share this video as usual. Yeah, tell a friend, tell a friend. I think there's someone at the door. Yes, Courtney, want to bonjewa? Modaro. Hi, Courtney. You brought food again? Oh my God.
It's my mom made this one though.
Do you love cooking?
I do. But I didn't make this one, my mom did.
Oh wow. Please, where's she?
She's at home. So I'll be going back over there because I have to help her with some things. But yeah, I just was gonna drop this off.
Are you serious? Yeah.
Oh no, I'm afraid I can't.
Hi everyone. Are you gonna start a YouTube channel? Are you gonna start me?
I will start a YouTube channel. I don't think so. I'll just be guests on your YouTube channel.
Okay. Hi everyone. Meet the genius, the one and only genius.
Hi.
Are you going? No, I'm not worried. She gonna say. Yeah, so meet the genius. She's a lawyer. She's a top-notch lawyer. She's Obama's lawyer, President Obama's lawyer. So
I just started off.
So you don't have to. Everybody packaging. So if you have a case or anything, what's it called? So if you have a case, or you have a case in court, she will win. She wins all cases.
Tech IP law. There's a disclaimer. I cannot promise that I win every case. That's an attorney disclaimer. No. Yeah, that's why I can't do it.
So if you have a case, just bring your case over. She will win everything for you. Trust me. She wins all cases. You can hear the Queen's English already.
Oh wow.
She has won the hearts of the judges. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you. Make sure you like this video, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. One love, yo. Any word for your fans?
Hi everyone. Yes, I'm an attorney, but sorry, I can't win everything. I have to put the attorney disclaimer that prior results does not guarantee future success. Okay, but yeah, seek legal advice if you need it.
I will know you both. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you. No, it's supposed to be